Today let us look how to write square of a number that has got only 1 in its digits, means anything like 11 or 111 or 1111. In that way, if we have series of ones only in that number and if we want to find the square, we have a trick using which we can write it very easily. Let us look into the trick now. So if we start, as we all know, for 1, it if you want to take the square, it is just 1. For the next thing that would come in the series of 1 would be 11. Even for 11, most of us would be able to tell the square very quickly, like 11 square is 121. But the actual problem in most the cases comes when it further extends, like 111 square. When we want to give the answer further, it will take some time. But there is a trick we can use here. To apply that, first we have to see how many digits are there in the number. Here we have got 3 digits. So to give the answer of this, what we would do is we will start writing from 1 till 3 in ascending order, and then we will start to write down from 3 to 1 in descending order. So let us see how to write it. The answer of this would be 1, 2, 3. We have written till 3 because the number we are considering here we has got 3 ones in it. Now we will start writing down till 1. This would be the answer of 111 square. Now let us look at the other number. See, here we can easily observe this, right? The 11 square, here we have got 2 ones in this particular number. So we have written from 1 to 2. It is 1, 2, then counting back to 1. When we have got 3 digits in the number, we have written from 1 to 3 and then back downwards from 3 to 1. Let us see for another number. Here I am taking 1111. If we observe this, we have got 4 ones in this. So the answer would be just to write from 1 to 4 in ascending order and then backwards till 1. This would be the answer of 1111 square. In this way, we can write the answer for a number which have got only 1 in it, for 1 in it, from say like 11 till this is a number which has got 9 ones in this. Only till this number we would be able to use this trick. So if we look into this, 11 square, 2 digits in this and both the digits are 1, so we have written 1 to 1. The next one is, this has got 3 ones, so we have written 1 2 3 and backwards till 1, and with when we have 4 till 4 and backwards to 1. For 5, the same way we have written 1 to 5 and down till 1. So this way we will keep writing the answer. Even for 7 ones we can write 8 ones, and in this way we can keep writing it. So here if we look at the final one, see this one has got only 9 ones in this, and till here we would be able to apply this trick. But beyond this, means when we have got 10 ones in the number, the trick would differ. So this trick we can apply only till this point.